Hello everyone. Just give me a minute and we'll start, okay? Just give me like 5 to 10 minutes. What's up Faisal? How are you? I hope you're doing well. कल का दिन तो वैसे काफ़ी chaotic था, I must say. But we had fun. We took a couple of trades. And in the third trade we won big. So that's that. So आज देखते हैं what market have for us today. Okay. Yeah, for the yesterday, not actually break even, but minor loss like 0.23 something because of like commission से जितना loss हुआ ना mostly उसके कारण. How about you? How was your day yesterday? And Aj, what are you looking for today? Nice, brother. Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to another stream. First of all, I'm going to be breaking down yesterday's trade and then we'll look कि आज what can give मतलब market आज हमें क्या दे सकता है. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be interesting. Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome to another stream. Let's just get started with our top-down analysis. Should I start now or should I wait? अगर if you want me कि मैं अभी start करूँ, press W in the chat. Okay. Okay, so this is the trade I took yesterday actually. Let me tell you how. First of all, ये हमारी जो session lines है उन्हें I will move right here. Okay, hello everyone. Let's just check कि आज कोई news तो नहीं है first of all, because news are important and if we don't say it, we can get pretty much screwed. Hello Ansh, how are you buddy? Hello Faisal, welcome to the another stream and let's just get started. First of all, अगर आज news देखी जाए, आज Tuesday है and 7 बजे we have a durable goods order की news है, तो let's just mention that right here. Okay, there you go. एंड या तो ये बेसिकली कल वाली ट्रेड है, इसको मैं अभी कुछ देर के लिए हाइड कर देता हूँ एंड लाइक इसे कर देता हूँ राइट है. तो रीजनिंग बिहाइंड दिस ट्रेड वाज मार्केट जस्ट ब्रोक दिस सपोर्ट राइट हियर एंड वी हैड क्लीन स्ट्रक्चर टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो आई टुक दिस ट्रेड when on 30-minute chart this support area start to break. Okay, एंड उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे एक पोजीशन और ऐड की थी जो ब्रेक इवन में निकल गई एंड दिस इज़ द करंट ट्रेड विच इज़ running at the moment. Okay, so yeah, that's the trade. And about gold yesterday, gold was pretty chaotic yesterday. Let me tell you how. So there you go. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोल्ड में स्ट्रीम में कल सबसे पहले हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हुआ था. ओके, दिस वाज द स्टॉप लॉस राइट हियर एंड देयर वी लॉस्ट अराउंड 1.2%. ओके, एंड उसके बाद आई got out of all the trade on this particular candle right here. इसमें I was out like pretty much, but when I see market start to break this area right here, this supportive area right here, I entered this trade and we closed for about total 1.3% something, but overall commission वगैरह पकड़ के I lost like 0.23 something on yesterday, like pretty much break even I would consider. ओके, तो आज देखते हैं फिर आज क्या हो सकता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो गोल्ड तो अभी हम ट्रेड नहीं करते, तो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू राइट नाउ जस्ट डिलीट द एनालिसिस एंड जो एनालिसिस है उसको मैं जो हमारी सेशन लाइंस है उनको एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो देयर यू गो. ओके, एंड ऑडियो वगैरह सब ठीक आ रही है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. ठीक है। तो बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू बी लुकिंग गोल्ड आफ्टर 2:30 once the session is done. So first of all, let's look at euro USD and see what's happening with our euro USD. So let's break it down. First of all, let's go ahead and look at daily, and you will see market seems to be bullish at the moment. We have created this support right here and we have a resistance made right there. इसे further break down करेंगे 4 घंटे के चार्ट में, and you will see कि market seems to be bullish at the moment and we are free to go till this area right here. ठीक है, and we also have created some kind of resistance right here and we have some minor support made right here. But एक बात यहाँ पे जो या लाइक मेंशन करने वाली ये है कि बुल मार्केट में रेजिस्टेंस हमेशा ब्रेक होता है एंड बियर मार्केट में सपोर्ट हमेशा ब्रेक होता है. तो दिस कैन easily break this level and continue toward this area right here which is 89.49. इसे further break down करेंगे 1 hour के चार्ट में and here you will see कि market has created this fresh resistance at 10:30 right here. Okay, and इसे further break down करूँगा मैं 30 मिनट के चार्ट में. तो you will see कि we have like a minor support. This is our resistance and this area right here is a support, and for me right now this is my current no trade range. I'm looking for buy above this level. Okay, I'm looking for buy above this level and I'm looking for sell below this level, and this right here is my no trade range. All right, right here, and this right here is my no trade range. Okay, so this is our simple analysis today. For buy side, what I want to happen, if this area start to break and test, I must look for buys. This is my plan for euro USD, and if I see this area breaking right here, so I will take sell entries from this area. Okay, there you go. So this is the simple analysis for today. This is what I'm thinking कि market should do, but again we cannot predict anything in the market. जो होना है वो तो हो गई, and all we can do is manage our risk and close and follow our trades, follow our setup as closely as possible. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Now yeah, because we recently closed below this level right here, if you see on 15 minute we have like closer below this level. So somewhere here this is like our hit zone. So most probably market can turn from here, but we cannot say for sure. But if I see like selling pressure right here, I'll interested in taking sells like somewhere like here. Okay, and we can easily go to this point here. तो जो मेरी existing position है, I think I will add on to it. Alright, but so far there is no active, like I have this active position, but currently आज के दिन हमने कोई trade नहीं लिया. This is my trade from yesterday which is running for about 63 points in drawdown. Alright, so there you go. अब हमारा trade add up कर लेता है. On daily market seems to be bullish and we are going towards 89.49. तो वहीं मैं लिख लूँगा प्रीवियस डे. लेट्स जस्ट सी व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन शमीन. काफ़ी ज़्यादा अनसर्टिनिटी है उससे लेके. MT5 ने वैसे देखा जाए तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पैसे छाप रखे हैं, तो दे कैन टेक डिसीजंस लाइक दिस. Previous day was bullish, actually extremely bullish, and it's going towards 89.49. okay, so there you go. On daily we are still eyeing this target right here which is at 89.49. this can be a good target if you're looking for buy, but इसे further break down करेंगे 4 घंटे के चार्ट में, and you will see कि market again seems to be bullish, and on H4 market is bullish as well. So that's what I'm going to be writing down. for today. H4 seems to be bullish and can continue towards 89.49. ओके, बट इसे अब हम फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे वन आवर के चार्ट में, एंड वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस रेजिस्टेंस राइट हेयर विच इज़ एट 85.55. so that's what I'm going to be mentioning right here. We have created an Asia high. We have created Asia high at 8554. If this breaks and test, I will take buys for about 20 pips. Okay, and we have also created support at 84.72. if this breaks, I'll take sells for about 20 pips. All right, to conclude, I'm looking for sell on impulse entry. If 8472 breaks, okay, simply this is what I'm looking for today. तो कंक्लूजन में लिखता है looking for sell on break of 84.72. this is what I'm looking for on EURUSD. तो हमारा जो सेटअप टाइप हो जाएगा टेस्टिंग रेजिस्टेंस, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज हम रेजिस्टेंस को प्ले कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद जो हमारा ट्रिगर होगा वो होगा ब्रेकिंग प्रीवियस कैंडल लो एंड ब्रेकिंग सपोर्ट. okay, and we are going to be risking about 1%. okay, हम 1% हमारी लिमिट पर आ चुके हैं, and next week we are going to be risking about 1.25. okay, and let's just see how that is going to play out. But so far now this is the plan today. Basically, simply I'm looking for this right here. For buy side and for sell side, I'm looking for impulse entry to take sells till this level right here in the most simplest way possible. I have explained it. Now हमारे जो रूल्स हैं उन्हें एक बार देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन इन द मार्केट. मतलब मार्केट में कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड कोई भी मार्केट को करेक्टली प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए. ओके, हो सकता है तुम शॉर्ट टर्म में एक दो मूव को ठीक तरह से प्रिडिक्ट कर लो, बट जितना तुम मार्केट को करेक्टली प्रिडिक्ट करोगे, नेक्स्ट मूव में तुम्हारे फॉल्स होने के चांसेस उतने ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट्स द थिंग. एंड उसके बाद वी हैव अ सेकेंड रूल विच इज़ देयर इज़ नो फिक्स आउटकम टू एनी ट्रेड. मतलब जो कोई भी तुम ट्रेड करते हो उसका कोई फिक्स आउटकम नहीं होता. उसके प्रॉफिट में जाने के चांसेस भी उतने ही होते हैं जितना उसके लॉस में जाने के चांसेस होता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा थर्ड रूल है स्टे ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ योर एज. बेसिकली जो तुमने अपने लिए रूल्स बनाए हैं, जो तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी है, उससे 100% स्टिक रहो, एंड इन द लॉन्ग रन इट्स गोइंग टू रिवॉर्ड यू. ओके, उसके बाद वी हैव आवर फोर्थ रूल, द मोर यू लूज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ यू विनिंग बेसिकली इंक्रीजेस. तो एंड वाइस वर्सा, मतलब अगर तुम एक विनिंग स्ट्रीक में हो तो तुम्हारे एक लूजिंग ट्रेड करने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, एंड अगर तुम एक लूजिंग ट्रेड में हो तो तुम्हारे एक विन ट्रेड के आने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे. ओके, उसके बाद अगर हमें प्री लंदन में ट्रेड नहीं मिलती तो वी कैन गेट अ ट्रेड एट लंदन सेशन, एंड अगर लंदन सेशन में ट्रेड नहीं मिलेगी तो वी कैन गेट अ ट्रेड एट पोस्ट लंदन सेशन. बेसिकली हमें डेली एरिया में कभी भी ट्रेड मिल सकती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक सर्टन टाइम में हमें ट्रेड मिले. ओके, उसके बाद हमारा जो सिक्स्थ रूल है वो है ट्रेड इन द नाउ मोमेंट. पास्ट में जो भी हुआ है उसके कारण यू कैन नॉट लेट इट इन्फ्लुएंस योर करंट मोमेंट. तो मार्केट में जो करंटली हो रहा है हमें उसी हिसाब से टारगेट लाइक ट्रेड करना है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हमें अगर हमारे साथ लाइक कल ट्रेड में अगर हमें लॉस हुआ है तो हम उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होके आज ज़बरदस्ती सेल के लिए ट्रेड लें. ओके, दैट शुड नॉट be happening. And again, some days your strategy is going to work, some day it is not going to work. दिस इज़ द रियलिटी ऑफ द मार्केट. तो जिस भी दिन तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी काम करती है उस समय तुम्हें इतना प्रॉफिट बनाना है कि जिस दिन तुम्हारी ट्रेड से तुम्हें लॉस होता है कहीं ना कहीं वो ऑफसेट कर दे तुम्हारे लॉसेस को. ओके. एंड लास्टली दिस इज़ अ साइजिंग नोट कार्ड टुडे. हमारी जो डेली लॉस लिमिट है वो है 2% की. इफ़ आई सी ए प्लस ट्रेड आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिस्किंग अराउंड 1.5%. 1.5%, and if I see a trade I'll be risking about 1%. Okay, so there you go. That is it for our simple top down analysis on euro USD today. एक बार हम देखते हैं हमारा gold देखते हैं. What is gold doing right now? Even though we are not going to be trading gold, we did a mistake actually yesterday. I shall not have traded gold because मेरी रूल बुक के हिसाब से आई शुड ट्रेड गोल्ड ओनली आफ्टर 4 o'clock, यानी शाम के 4 बजे के बाद ही मुझे गोल्ड को ट्रेड करना चाहिए. बट आई डिड नॉट फॉलो आउट दैट, तो दैट्स वाई आई थिंक आई हैड दिस लॉस. ठीक है. ओवरऑल गोल्ड सीम्स टू बी बुलिश, एंड इफ वी स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग अबव दिस लेवल वी कैन टेक अ बाय टिल दिस एरिया राइट हेयर, which is quite good if you want to take buys. And we have like clean candle to the left hand side in 4-hour chart, so that is totally possible कि ये वाला setup करो. This is similar to the setup we had like 2 days ago on euro USD. If you see, let me show you what I'm talking about. See, the current setup is kind of similar to the setup we saw on euro USD right here, this right here. This is totally possible कि gold can go bullish from that current point. So that is it for our top down analysis. Please consider liking the stream if you find any value here, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, let's just kill it today and let's just see what market will bring us today. Okay, so there you go. Let's kill it today, and thank you everyone for showing up. And we will be trading till 2 o'clock today, and after that I have some work, so we'll be trading till 2. And I might do like voice over stream in Telegram for our group today at NY session. Let's just see what happens. So yeah, there you go. So what's up chat, क्या हो रहा है आज? What are you trading guys today, and how is everything looking today? I'm kind of in like losing streak at the moment, but let's just stick with the plan and see what happens in the long run. ठीक है. And if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to ask me and I shall answer them. Okay, so seems like we are having a breakout at the moment, but we have not closed yet. So let's just see how this one's going to play. Okay, so what's going on, Ansh? What's going on, Fazil? What pair are you looking right now, and what do you want to trade today? Okay, so I guess yesterday we had a loss on the stream, so let me just update it. That was our third loss of the month. Yeah, gold can be a really good buy at the moment. If you see, let me just load gold on right here. So let's just see gold. Gold again, I think we have like a clean structure to the left hand side till this area right here on 4 hour chart, that is. So there you go, it can clearly offset it. And अगर तुम swing कर रहे हो तो you can easily target this area right here, which is 2046. I think this is a really great area to take a buy. Okay, let's just see. Faisal ने हमें chart भेजा है and let's just see what does it says. I agree with you on gold. 4 hours still seems like bullish, but there is not enough clear evidence. Okay, so this is the chart Faisal sent. I think this is my to be honest, this is my A plus entry on A plus, like this. The entry type is A plus entry on my playbook. So I think this is going to be play out pretty well. So yeah. Yeah, I totally agree. Market has consolidated really good, but if you see right here, we have created quite a support right here. Okay, and this candle has closed like almost above this candle, and we have like no wick right here. So I think it is a good area to take a buy, to at least test this area right here. So yeah, if you are trading gold, it is with the trend, so don't really worry about it. And I can totally see if this area breaks, we can totally go right here easily, but again we need a lot of volume to do that. And there is volume coming, so it's totally possible. Okay, so seems like I'm out of the position right here. This position which I took yesterday off stream has been got out, so I'll mark this as my another stop loss in my personal accounts. Okay, so yeah, it depends upon you, Fazal. What I'm doing right now, let me just explain you. To scale into the position, let's just see, this is the gold right here, and I took this entry right here, break on this level. So this is my entry one. All right, and to increase my size, what I will do, I'll drop down to 5-minute chart right here, something like this, and I will look for entries based upon this area right here. So this is my primary entry, first entry. So what I will look for right here is like 2 bar close. Let me explain what I'm looking for. So I need this is not good. So what I will look for, yeah, so what I will look for is this right here. I need, this is my original entry. Okay, this line here is my original entry, and if I see this area breaks on 5-minute chart with a good bullish candle, something like with a heavy body and काफ़ी कम विक्स के साथ अगर एरिया ब्रेक होता है, एंड उसके बाद वाला जो बार है इट स्टेज बुलिश, like bullish with a body similar to this or slightly bit larger, but again with no wicks, I will enter this trade immediately. And make sure when you size into a trade, the previous trade should like you should move previous days SL to previous trades SL to almost break even. So that's what I'm using, basically break of this break of our entry level with 2 consecutive bullish candles. That's what I'm looking for. Hello Chickpea, how are you? But I can clearly see this trade can go really good, so don't really worry about it, I guess. Okay, so I'm currently in something like a losing streak. I have took three trades in past days, and out of two of them were loser, and one of them is winner. And I lost one more trade today. Like, of course, that was yesterday's trade. Yeah, I do that too because it is all about कि ये वैसे काफ़ी अच्छा हो सकता है फैजल. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट it depends upon, and that thing is really important. The thing is कि तुम्हारी definition of a winning trade क्या है. That depends upon that. What is the definition of a winning trade and what is your definition of a losing trade. ठीक है. It can happen कि तुम जो losing trade है that can be turned into a winner, and of course winner trade तो winner ही होते हैं. तो it totally depends upon your definition of that particular trade. ठीक है. जैसे कि जो मैंने अपनी डेफिनेशन सेट की है फॉर अ विनिंग ट्रेड इज़ बेसिकली अ विनिंग ट्रेड जो कि पॉजिटिव चल रही है. ओके. एंड जो लूजिंग ट्रेड है ऑफ कोर्स इज़ अ लूजिंग ट्रेड जो कि नेगेटिवली ड्रॉ डाउन में चल रही है. दैट्स द टू सिंपल डेफिनेशन. तो अगर इफ़ अ करंट कैंडल क्लोजेस लाइक if current candle closes like against me, and if there is a lot of volume, that means it is a losing trade, and I close like 50% immediately. And about the winning trade, अगर वो उसके फेवर में कैंडल्स क्लोज हो रही है with like positive candles close हो रही है, तो I start to add one more position. but जो मेरी previous position है, I took its SL and move it to a safer point like almost break even तो कर ही देता हूँ. So that's the idea. Let's just see. This is the example. Okay, this is not the trade. This is an example, and I haven't took this trade. तो let me tell you कि क्या सोच रहा हूँ मैं. This is my entry one. ठीक है. This is my first entry. Let me just mark it. Okay, this is not the trade I took, but I am telling you how I increase the lot. Okay, so there you go. This is my entry one right here based upon my analysis, and इसका जो stop loss है, it is on 30-minute ATR value like right here. ठीक है. There you go, and I'm targeting this area right here. All right, so this is my first entry. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping down to 5-minute chart, and right here I'm looking for a bullish closure, like though continue candles closing bullish with a lot of volumes. So see, this candle is closing bullish. If the next candle is also closes bullish with like healthy enough volume, I will enter this trade immediately, and I will move my previous SL to almost here, and I will add my new trade, and my SL will be the same as original or like few points above that. So that's the idea of adding to a winning position at the moment. Of course, अभी तक we don't have enough data to support this analysis. Like वी डोंट हैव इनफ ट्रेड्स जो इसे बैकअप कर सके. मैंने प्रीवियस वीक जो था हमारा, उस पर मैंने टेस्ट किया था दिस adding to a winning position thing, and previous week it worked out really well. Okay, so I think enough evidence will be 30 trades. अगर 30 trade में it proves right, तो I think this area, तो I think this method can work really well. That's what I think. Okay, so euro had like really nice breakout right here. What is your current risk कितना है फैजल? What is you are risking currently per trade? तो don't immediately increase to 1.5. I think 1.25 कर दो for this week, and next week go for 1.5. That will be a smarter approach, because if you got like a losing trade, you can spiral into the loss, and I think that is what happening with me. Previous week was my risk per trade was 0.75%, एंड जो मेरा आइडियल रिस्क है ना, जहाँ पे मैं बिल्कुल ठीक तरह से प्ले करता हूँ मार्केट, दैट इज़ 0.5%. एंड ईच टाइम आई ट्राई टू इंक्रीज माई लॉट साइज, आई हैव रियली लाइक काफ़ी चैलेंज आता है मुझे साइकोलॉजिकल परस्पेक्टिव से, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वॉट हैपनिंग विद मी राइट नाउ. आई इंक्रीज माई साइज टू ऑलमोस्ट 1%. तो आई थिंक दैट्स वाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म वेल, बट आई हैव लाइक उसकी आदत तो लगानी पड़ेगी, है ना. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम गोइंग टू बी सिट विथ 1% फॉर दिस एंटायर वीक, एंड until I become profitable basically. So अगर तुम यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, this is our 5-minute closure, and this candle has failed to close above this level right here, and we have created like a minor resistance right here. So what I'm looking for right now is a fresh candle, which is this candle, and उसके बाद वाली candle should close above this candle, then I'll do my second entry. that's the plan. Okay, so on USD we have like a really big candle which is closed bullish. This is about 128 points, जो कि previous candle से काफ़ी बड़ी है, तो I think it's really impulsive move. And I don't want to take a risk with this move. I'll rather wait for some kind of resistance to be formed, and if that breaks, I might be interested in taking that trade. But let's just wait and see कि क्या होता है. ठीक है. And if you guys are watching, please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, there is no active trades at the moment. We are just demonstrating ki how can you increase size in your trading position. So that is what we are doing at the moment. We are just practicing. Okay, this is our target which we are targeting, and we are trying to see ki what areas can be good to take, like to enter more size. Because if you see, जैसे कि हम बार बार बात करते हैं कि ट्रेडिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट डेवलपिंग एन अब नॉर्मल लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो रिटेल ट्रेडर्स होते हैं, दे ट्राई टू टेक 50% प्रॉफिट व्हेन उनकी ट्रेड जो थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉफिट में चलती रहती है. तो हम बेसिकली उसका एकदम अपोजिट कर रहे हैं. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ एरिया जहाँ पर हम और ट्रेड ऐड कर सके वंस दैट ट्रेड turns into the bullish side. Okay, so that's the plan. Okay, so you see this trade is a winning trade at the moment because it is running at profit, even though it is small profit, but it is running at profit. And 1 minute candle is closing in about 1 minute and 15 seconds. So this is our 5-minute candle. So let's just see how this one is going to play out. And again, we are like looking for a points where we can increase risk, which is the base of the trading psychology. And जो बुक में पढ़ रहा हूँ उसमें that's what it talks about adding to a winning position. तो I thought कि उससे experiment करते हैं. That's why I developed this strategy to add to a winning position based upon the past data, and it worked out there. तो let's just see कि इसमें काम करता है कि नहीं करता है. And there is no dip coming in BTC. We are easily going to reach all-time high and even higher. I'm bullish on BTC because the cycle has been complete. If you follow BTC from like a long period, so Bitcoin it follows the 1 year cycle basically. Bitcoin basically follows 1 year cycle, and वो जो cycle complete हुआ था वो हुआ था ठीक यहाँ पर. Okay, and after that market is bullish. So I don't think so कि market is stopping till we reach this area right here, which is around 100k. Bitcoin is going to be a luxury coming soon, and I don't think so कि कोई भी Yeah, I agree with Aman here. Now altcoin will be popping here and there. तो अगर क्रिप्टो में देखा जाए तो दैट देयर इज़ अ रियली गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक मेक मनी इन द मार्केट, because market is like extremely bullish on weekly. This was the candle where you could have bought, like, yeah. And अभी recently बिटकॉइन में बिटकॉइन का ETF भी पास हुआ है, तो देयर आर चांसेस कि it can go to even all time highs. Okay, so there you go. If you see gold here, we have closed bullish, so I'm looking for a close above this level to increase size. Okay, I need a closure above this level and I'll explain ki how would have I increased size. Basically इस तरह की कैंडल होना चाहिए जिसमें बॉडी थिक हो एंड it should not be like a wick candle. I think as personally I would invest in Ripple. अब तक 2016-17 से टिका हुआ है and there is I don't think so कि it's a scam. तो Ripple is a really good coin to invest. But again, you cannot say anything about the crypto market. Anything can happen at any moment. रिपल है, एडीए तो मैं काफ़ी समय से देख रहा हूँ. एडीए इट वाज 2017 के समय, इट वाज अ रियली हॉट कॉइन बैक देन. ओके, तो गोल्ड में कैंडल्स आर नॉट क्लोजिंग एज व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड टू क्लोज. Over here on EURUSD, we are rejecting this level right here, which is a good thing if you are looking for sells. Right here, I'm going to mark this as my new level. Okay, there you go. We have turned bullish again. Brother, you're late to the party. Maybe you can enter once this candle closes. And we still have like 42 seconds. Okay, so right here it will be my second entry when this candle closes. Okay, so this will be my second entry. Okay, एंड जो मेरा सेकेंड एंट्री का स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा वो रहेगा ठीक यहाँ पर. Okay, so this is my stop loss of second entry. This is my stop loss for the second entry. And इसके बाद जो मेरा current stop loss है, I'm going to be moving that stop loss to this point right here. तो जो मेरी entry 1 थी is almost safe and मेरी entry 2 is now opened. This is the logic behind my increasing the size on the particular trade. तो this is the whole logic right now. तो मेरी ये वाली जो first entry थी, it is almost at break even, and right now I'm at second position, long position right here. So with this logic, if I win, I'm going to be winning the profit of almost two position, and if I lose, I'll be losing the risk of only one position right here. But this is like extremely difficult to do. Market needs a lot. Basically अगर market trendy days में है तो it's going, this strategy is going to work, otherwise it's going to be failing and you can lose about 50% of the original position right here. So this is my second entry now. Let's just see, and this is the stop loss of my second entry right here, and this right here is my stop loss of the first entry, and this is my new entry. So basically let's just see how this one runs for the time. देर इज़ टोटली पॉसिबिलिटी कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जो फर्स्ट स्टॉप लॉस है वो ट्रिगर हो जाता है एंड उसके बाद ट्रेड गोज़ टू द अपसाइड, एंड दैट इज़ टोटली नॉर्मल बिकॉज वो हमारी प्लेबुक में ही है. तो दिस इज़ हाउ आई इंक्रीज साइज ऑन माई ट्रेड्स बेसिकली. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स जो यहाँ कहीं से एंटर किए होंगे ब्रेकआउट में, दे आर लुकिंग टू टेक प्रॉफिट राइट हेयर. ओके, they want to take profit right here and they want to let like 50% profit they want to book, and they want to let rest of the profit run till they have like their original target. But जो 10% traders है, they are thinking कि ठीक है यहाँ पे this is a good chance to add more to their position, and that is what they are doing right now. Okay, so that is how we have to develop our thinking, and yeah, that is it. So when you win, you are going to win big, and when you lose, you are going to lose as much as the first position. So that is what I'm doing to increase my position at the current moment. What do you think, Faisal? If you're still watching, let me know how do you think of this method, and rest of the chat, let me know how this method sounds. It is like extremely risky, or what are your thoughts upon it? Okay, so about EURUSD, we have created a fresh resistance at the moment. How do you think it's risky, Ansh? Why do you think it is risky? Tell me. Yeah, I agree with Faisal here. You need to backtest this first. And Ansh, tell me, why do you think this is risky? Because जो हमारा risk है, it is same as the first trade we took, and I totally understand. You can lose the profit of the first entry, but if trade goes into your favor, you can win twice as much, because जो हमारा original stop loss है, it is still there, right? Yeah, you need to take like fast decision, but I think अगर तुम एक scalping की जगह अगर move to move trade कर रहे हो, तो this can be a really good method. Because recently I was looking at my past trades, and I saw one thing there कि whenever I win, I was winning big, like काफ़ी ज़्यादा lot increase कर रहा था when in my winning trades, and whenever I start to like मैंने जब stop कर दिया, my profit had been going down, and that's why I'm increasing that. Let's just see how this one plays out, and then we'll see कि हमारी strategy काम कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है, तो this is gold and we are running bullish, and this is our target right here, this area. and this is our stop loss. Let me tell you again, this is my stop loss for second entry. Our first entry, it's almost on break even. I think if you can crack this successfully, जो तुम्हारा upside है as a trader can be like so good. Because जो प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर्स लोग होते हैं ना, दे जो उनकी इनिशियल ट्रेड्स होते हैं वो उनके लिए सिर्फ टेस्ट ट्रेड्स होती हैं, एंड व्हेनेवर दे स्टार्ट द ट्रेड स्टार्ट टू गो स्टार्ट to like going in their favor, they increase like tremendously. That is something I saw with the professional traders. So yeah, and it is extremely difficult to pull off as a retail trader because again psychology involved होती है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, and you have to be really focused. Okay, I have a question chat. Whenever you enter into a trade, okay, I have a question chat. Whenever you enter into a trade, what is the most driving force? It is the reward of taking a profit, or it is uh, fear of losing a trade? लाइक जब भी तुम कोई ट्रेड को एंटर करते हो तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट चलते रहता है कि या अभी प्रॉफिट होगा ट्रेड में ऐसा वैसा, या फिर ज़्यादा लॉस चलता है कि नहीं आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू बी लूजिंग दिस ट्रेड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो जो ट्रेड के पीछे की ड्राइविंग फोर्स क्या है? इट इज़ फियर और इट इज़ रिवॉर्ड? टेल मी, लाइक प्राइमरी फोकस. I see. Yeah, I think I struggle with the same Fazil because I think fear is important. इवन दो हमें पता है कि हमारा स्टॉप लॉस वहाँ पे लगा हुआ है, हमें पता है कि हम इतना ही मनी लूज़ करने वाले हैं, बट स्टिल जो फियर है, फियर ऑफ लूजिंग अ ट्रेड इज जस्ट ट्रिमेंडस. सो अंश, क्या तुम एंटर कर पाए इस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड में, और यू आर वेटिंग फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ रीटेस्ट? This is my second entry, guys, okay, and it is running at drawdown, and this is the stop loss of our first entry. Yeah, that's a good thing. Wise decision. Yeah, I agree with you. It is all fear, hope, and pain in the industry. अगर तुम ये तीन इमोशंस को ठीक तरह से मैनेज करना सीख गए, योर फियर, योर होप, एंड योर pain. You can easily win in the markets. Yeah. And what is the status with फंडिंग पेप्स? क्या उन्होंने शुरू किया अकाउंट? Yeah, that's pretty fast, I think. I see. That's cool. Okay, so there you go. Our gold trade, it is running at profit at the moment, but our second entry is still in loss, like minor loss. Let's just see end of the day how it's going to be playing out. I'm going to be जो होल्डिंग पीरियड है इस ट्रेड का, वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि वो होल्डिंग पीरियड है टिल यूएस ओपन, तो तब तक लेट्स जस्ट सी हाउ दिस वन इज गोइंग टू प्ले आउट. क्या आई एग्री विद इट, बट अगेन यू आर इन प्रॉफिट, तो इट डजेंट रियली मैटर. तुम्हें तो सिर्फ बटन दबाने के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए, राइट? बट अगर उसका इंटरफेयर सही हो तो अच्छा होता है. या रियली स्प्रेड्स आर बैड एट, ऑफ कोर्स वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लिक्विडिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है ना, एंड दे हैव टू रन देयर प्लेटफॉर्म. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई स्प्रेड्स आर बैड एट द मैच ट्रेडर्स. Okay, so our second entry is melting right now, and our stop loss has in place, but let's just see. Okay, so a little update on our EURUSD pair right here. I'm looking for break and test of this level to take buys. Okay, so we have about 5 minutes and 5 minutes में London will open. Oh, that's poor, dude. आई थिंक हर किसी प्लेटफॉर्म को खुद से ही मनी मैनेजमेंट टूल्स ऑफर करना चाहिए एंड द ओनली रीज़न दे डोंट आई थिंक बिकॉज इट इज़ इंटेंशनल कि जो मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं वो इंटेंशनली मनी मैनेजमेंट टूल्स ऑफर नहीं करते बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट यू टू लूज आई थिंक they want us to lose and I think that's the reason they don't offer built-in money management tools. You have to download them externally because think about it, अगर एक beginner trader market में आ रहा है and he started trading and he doesn't have a money management tool and I think money management को सीखने में ही तो शुरुआत के 1-2 साल लग जाता है, तब तक एक बिगिनर ट्रेडर ऑलरेडी 2 या 3 अकाउंट ब्लो अप कर चुका होता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स इंटेंशनल कि वो लोग मनी मैनेजमेंट टूल प्रोवाइड नहीं करते बिफोर हैंड बिकॉज दे वांट यू टू लूज. टोटली. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left till London opens and we have created some kind of support right here. I don't think it's major enough to be considered because it's 15 minutes. So let's just wait and see how this one plays out. Over here at the gold pair, we are seeing a bearish candle as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so we will be trading till 2 o'clock today, and if we see a setup we are going to execute them, and if not we'll trade our US session basically, because I think market has been stretched a lot. Because if you look at this candle or on euros, on gold, if you look last 3 candles, I think we have stretched a lot from yesterday. So maybe a possible pullback is possible. So let's just wait and see how market unfolds today. Yeah, it will be interesting to see. Okay, अगले 1 मिनट में लंदन सेशन इज़ अबाउट टू ओपन. इफ़ यू वांट चेक कि अभी कौन सा करंट सेशन चल रहा है, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ गो एट forexfactory.com and go at the home page and you will see right here at the bottom you will see अभी कौन सा सेशन चालू है, and you will see कि टोक्यो सेशन ठीक थोड़ी देर में ख़त्म होने वाला है and लंदन सेशन ठीक 1:30 खुलने वाला है, which is in about 1 minute. तो you can track your sessions from right here. ठीक है. न्यूयॉर्क सेशन खुलता है 6:30 PM को. तो इफ़ यू आर कन्फ्यूज अबाउट कि कौन से टाइम में क्या हो रहा है, यू कैन जस्ट लुक एट दिस एरिया राइट हियर ऑन forexfactory.com. Okay, so we have a solid candle close on USD right here, and I think this validates कि yellow resistance is in play totally. Okay, or over here on gold, we have opened really bullish. So let's just see if this can continue or not. So far, both of our position is running in the profit. And again, this position, our hypothetical position, we haven't opened this position yet. We are just testing our method to we are just testing our method of adding to a losing position, adding to a winning position, not a losing position. All right. So yeah, I think this resistance has been confirmed pretty well, because this range is pretty big. If you see, this range is almost 150 points. Okay, on EURUSD, I think I am looking for short here, but abhi koi enough evidence nahi hai to take short. So that's why I'm just watching at the moment. And of course, we have volume right now because London is just opened. तो इफ़ यू वांट चेक कि मार्केट में वॉल्यूम है कि नहीं, तो तुम सीधा कैंडल के साइज से भी पता लगा सकते हो, बट इफ़ यू वांट ईजियर, यू कैन जस्ट open this volume indicator and you will see कि volume is rising right here. All right, and the average volume, this is our moving average right here. It is a 20 period moving average, and candles are closing above this area, so that means there is like a lot of volume in the market. For sell on EURUSD, I'm looking for some kind of support to be formed, and if that support breaks with test of the area, I will take sell, like aggressive sell. So let's just wait and see how this one is going to play out. Okay, तो on gold, I think our original position, जो जिसका stop loss हमने almost break even पर रखा था, उसका शायद stop loss हो सकता है, अभी हुआ नहीं है, हो सकता है. तो we are just testing out right now. It is totally possible actually to कि उसका stop loss हो जाए, and then we have to see कि हमारी जो second position है, जो हमने एंटर की थी, वो सरवाइव कर पाती है कि नहीं कर पाती. It's going to be interesting to see. And again guys, if you have any type of question you wanna ask, you can just directly ask me in the chat. And अगर तुम अपने charts मुझे भेजना चाहते हो, तो all you have to do is just copy the link of your image and you can just directly post it in the chat. Okay, yeah, congratulations Ansh, you saved yourself from the drawdown. Dude. Okay, so there you go. This is the update on gold. I think our first position has been almost has been stopped out, and our second position is still running. And we will look for entry points again on our second entry uh, to add onto the position. I have to look at the chart which Fazil sent us. Let me. Okay, so I think Joe, Fazil, are you still in the trade, or are you out of that particular trade, or are you still holding GB, PJPY? Okay, तो let's just break down this trade particularly. First of all, अगर तुम डेली में देखोगे GP JPY, तो it has been extended a lot. It was 3 like almost 4 days consecutive, like काफ़ी अच्छा मूव हो रहा था, and we have created 4-hour resistance right here, right? This point right here. ठीक है, and we have support made right here. इसे further break down करेंगे 1 hour के chart में. So you will see market has came down. We created some kind of support right here. All right, the support just broke down there. We created a fresh new support right here, and it seems like it is a 2 candle pullback on 30-minute chart, and it was a good entry though. मतलब जो setup था उसके हिसाब से entry थी, तो I think जो stop loss हुआ है वो playbook के हिसाब से हुआ है, तो there is no need to stress yourself. Of course you have that you already have that level of maturity, so that won't be an issue for you. But that was a good trade. I think you took a good trade based upon your playbook, right? Okay, so luckily we are saved from the stop loss on our gold trade. We are still running on our first position. Yeah, totally. You should, bro. If it's in your playbook, you should take the trade, no matter the result of the trade. That's really smart of you. Because again, we don't know which trade is going to be a winner trade and which trade is going to be a loser trade. All we have to know कि हम अपनी probability से stick रहे and हम अपनी probabilities को follow कर रहे. That's it. That's all we have to do. But which one is your favorite pair? Is it GBP JPY or is it gold? I think it must be gold, because you guys just love trading gold, aren't you? Yeah, most of the people love gold. I don't know why. I think इसके पीछे ना एक psychological reason भी हो सकता है कि हम gold को इतना ज़्यादा क्यों trade करते हैं. I think because in our society हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा gold देखने की आदत है ना. That's why we love gold. It just basically gold equals to rich people, and I think that is what subconsciously had like fed into us. That's why we love our gold pair so much. Okay, so we are going to be okay. This candle is going to be closed in about 19 minutes. So let's just see how that one is going to play out. Yesterday I lost almost about 19 pips. Okay, guys, I'm sharing indicator in our Telegram channel. ठीक है, इंस्टॉल इट. वो बेसिकली तुम्हें तुम्हारी परफॉर्मेंस ट्रैक लाइक तुम्हारा रिपोर्ट कार्ड बताएगा कि व्हाट इज़ योर लाइक करंट परफॉर्मेंस. ठीक है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू बी शेयरिंग दैट इंडिकेटर विथ यू गाइस. बट आई गेस तुम लोग तो अभी MT5 में ट्रेड ही नहीं करते, राइट? तो बट स्टिल लेट मी जस्ट शेयर दैट. There you go. Check out that indicator. It is really good actually. If you are trading in MT4 or MT5. Really? You used to trade Euro USD or Euro pair, Euro JPY or what? Mhm. That's pretty cool. Then what's the reason behind you switching? Let me guess, is it like because of Raja Banks? Is it because of Raja Bhai? Tell me. Okay, everyone, 15-minute candle is about to close on Euro USD, and I think we have created some kind of really good support right here. So this will be my new sell below level on Euro USD, even though it hasn't been confirmed yet. So it will be interesting to see. But I think if this level holds, break and test of either of the levels shall push the price higher. So let's just see, wait and see. There you go. Our gold rate seems to be moving really well. Okay, and yeah, seems like अभी वैसे कोई भी जज करना it's going to be really soon. तो थोड़ा वेट करते हैं and see कि how this trade is going to play out in long run. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see Anj. All right, guys, we are going to be closing the stream in about 10 minutes, and I will update everything on my on our group, on our Telegram group. So if you haven't joined the group yet, please consider joining. We have a group at Telegram. Okay, there you go. Candle is closing bullish and our stop hasn't been triggered yet. I think it's a good I think our second entry is going to work out really well here, and we can even take the third entry if we see a break of this level. Okay, there you go. I think gold has started to give a breakout. There you go. And our second entry is in profit. I think I will give this entry. I think I will first of all move my previous stop loss to almost break even and the previous stop loss to this area right here. There you go. And now rest is running at profit. Let's just see how this one's going to play out. या वैसे अभी तो लंदन ओपन ही है, तो देयर इज़ वॉल्यूम, देयर इज़ लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. So now it totally depends upon your psychology to either take this trade or not. Hello, hello. Why? What happened? What happened, buddy? Yeah, well, it sucks. But there's no worry. You at least made profit. या तो सीम्स लाइक जिस तरह से हमने हमारी पोजीशन में लॉट बढ़ाया था, इट हैज़ वर्कड आउट रियली वेल. या तो if you want to, and I think at this point this candle closes bullish, I'll close all of the trades, and that's how we can increase the lot in our trading position. Okay, so this was the example of how you can do it, how you can increase the size in your trading position. Okay, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, whenever move starts at London Open, it will end right here at 2:30. Okay, right here. So it moves according to the time, अगर तुमने कभी नोटिस किया है तो. Yeah, totally. We are also done for the day. I think I'm going to be closing off the stream at the moment, and we'll continue tomorrow at the same time, 12:30 p.m. onwards. Okay. अरे कोई बात नहीं अक्षय भाई, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट प्रोबेबिलिटीज़। तो अगर एक ट्रेड में तुम्हारा लॉस होता है तो डोंट रियली थिंक अबाउट इट। हाँ, लेकिन अगर तुम्हें 10 में से 6 ट्रेडों में लॉस होता है देन यू शुड स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि तुम क्या चेंज कर सकते हो। बट ओवरऑल अगर तुम्हें एक या दो ट्रेडों में लॉस हो रहा है या इवन 5 ट्रेडों में लॉस हो रहा है तो डोंट रियली थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज वो लॉन्ग टर्म में खुद को बैलेंस आउट कर लेती है सिचुएशन। ओके, तो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो, जस्ट फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट ट्रेड। Yeah, totally everyone. We'll see you tomorrow, and uh, enjoy rest of the day. Relax if you have already taken the profitable trade, and yeah, if anyone wants to play chess, let me know. We'll do a game, and after that, I'm going to be closing the stream. There you go. Our gold trade has worked out really well. Okay, so our gold trade has worked out really well. So congratulations to Fazal and congratulations to Hunch. Bro, मैंने ये क्यों नहीं लिया? That was a free. Okay, so we won that one. Okay, so thank you everyone for showing up. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. All right. एंड बाकी जो भी आगे चीज़ें हो रही है उसे मैं अपडेट करते रहूँगा ग्रुप में. तो मेक श्योर इफ़ यू हैवंट जॉइन द ग्रुप येट, मेक श्योर टू जॉइन आवर ग्रुप, एंड आई विल सी यू टुमारो. बाय बाय.